Good morning, guys. This is Jinx. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And I'm learning to trade and I'm sharing my experience so I can save some time if anyone is learning to trade. But this is just for educational purpose, and I could be right, I could be wrong because I'm learning as well. Um, so, guys, this is if you can have a look, this is MetaTrader demo account. I was on CMC markets. I was using live money, and I incurred a loss of like $800 because I really don't spend time sitting in front of the chart. So I just set a stop loss, take profit, and I go to sleep. That's not the way you trade. Um, but I'm a student nurse and I'm working full time, so that's the best I can do. But anyway, because I'm just learning and I'm not really putting effort to invest in trading real money, I've created a demo account today. um, so it's good to learn on your demo account, guys. And okay, so when you open, in my previous episode I showed you downloading MetaTrader from MLQ4 website. And once you download, you click on the MetaTrader icon and the screen opens up. So what I'm trying to show you, what I have understood till now. So I think this thing is called MetaTrader Outlook. Um, so this particular box, you can actually like move them, make it big or small. And here you see the different currency pairs. You have the major currency pairs which is traded more frequently, like US dollar, pound sterling, euros. And you have the minor currency pairs like Swedish krona, which is here CHF, Japanese yen, and New Zealand dollars. I think those are the minor currency pairs. You can Google major and minor currency pairs to understand that. And basically, they divided that because the major pairs are traded frequently, and minor pairs are also popular but less popular than the major pairs. Um, I'm not sure of the stick charge. Maybe it's a AUD USD dollar, but okay. Oh, that's what is highlighted. So maybe it's every second chart or something. So when you look at the CMC market, you have 1 minute, 2 minutes. Here it's not very clear. It says M1, M5, M15. But if you hover over that M1, you can see it's a minute chart, 5 minutes chart. H1 is 1 hour, D1 is day, week, and month. So that's what you get here. And on the top, you have profiles. And this one is Market Watch, where you watch different currency pairs. And bid is the price a person is willing to pay for that pair, and ask is what the seller wants to be paid. The difference between the bid and the ask is the spread, and that's how that's how the brokers make money. And on this particular box, I wanted to show you that these things are movable, like you can move them. You can drag them, so these things are movable. uh, and over here in the bottom, so you understood the currency pairs, their symbol, and the bid and the ask price. And I wanted to right click. I want to close this one. My right click button is not working, but if you right click, you can add your spread. That will help you to decide how much you're paying and if you really want to get into that. And the box next to that you see is called Navigator. um, so it's got your account details. If you create any indicators, you can create indicators. This is your meta editor, and you can create indicators. You can create expert advisors, or you can buy expert advisors from the market and install in here. I created few scripts, so those scripts are here. um, so this is basically for your navigation. And what you see underneath is, if you place any trade, that will come up. What's your balance and everything, if there is open position, your account history, the latest news, if there is any alert. There's mailbox. I don't know why this isn't opening very well. Oh, this is a market where you buy the expert advisors, articles, codes, and journals. So this is what you see in the bottom column, which is called terminal. This is called Navigator. This is called Market Watch. And this spot is for the charts. And you can have multiple charts, like if you click here, 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 you can open multiple at the same time, or you can just, if you're just focusing on one, you can just view one. You can reduce it, and you can do whatever, guys. So this is just my understanding. When you open the MetaTrader editor, what are the things you see, and I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. Thank you, have a good day, and bye bye. And if you see anything is incorrect, feel free to correct me in the comments, but be gentle on me, guys. Thank you, love you all, bye bye.